Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Vanguard Zadie skin in Fortnite. First, you need to log into the game to activate the special Zadie quests. These quests will appear in your Quests tab, allowing you to track your progress. The main goal is to earn 50 account levels to fully unlock the impressive Vanguard Zadie outfit, along with its unique edit styles. Unlocking the Vanguard Zadie skin comes with additional rewards as you progress. At 15 account levels, you'll receive Zadie's blade pickaxe to add to your collection. Continue your leveling journey, and once you hit 30 account levels, you'll be granted Zadie's blade back bling. Finally, the complete Vanguard Zadie outfit becomes yours when you achieve 50 account levels. To speed up your progress and earn those account levels quickly, focus on completing all available quests. Daily and weekly quests offer consistent experience points. Also, dive into story quests and milestone challenges, as these often provide substantial XP bonuses. Don't forget to check for any limited-time events or special game modes, as they frequently offer accelerated leveling opportunities. Remember to log into Fortnite to activate the Vanguard Zadie quests within the specified window. You will have until early June to complete all the necessary leveling and claim your rewards. This gives you ample time to enjoy the game and earn those levels. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.